So here's how you say, here's how you remove the PCB on an Epiphone Les Paul Plus Pro, and if you change that, that will be the result. You will be saving the PCB, and then you will be forced to remove the old pots and basically destroy them to get to the PCB to preserve all the connections. There, I removed the soldering from the body of the pot for the bridge volume, and I'm about to remove the connections underneath. And to do that, you have to undo the clips and basically dismantle the body of the pot. So you have to loosen up the clips there, and also these two clips here, and then open up the back part of the push-pull pot so that you can get the connections, or the 6 connections connected to that particular PCB there. So this is how it looks like when you already remove the forward portion or the front portion of the pot. Then you have to open up the square portion to get to the small PCB there, so that you can solder it to the new Bourns pots. This is how they look when you separate them. And then next, you have to remove this cover here and the cover at the back. Here are the guys that we removed. So that's how the PCB looks like when you remove the back portion of the pot. You don't have to remove the soldering. You just have to solder the 6 pegs onto the PCB. You have to spread these poles wider so that it could accommodate the poles on the PCB, and then you will solder it directly onto the PCB. There you go. So it's a little bit bent outward, both of them.